Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cyberculture Interface. In today's video, we'll be discussing Top 5 Holiday Season Cyber Scams. Scam number 1, Online Shopping Scams. As the holiday season kicks in, many of us turn to online shopping for gifts and festive goodies. However, it's crucial to be cautious of online shopping scams. Scammers often create fake websites that mimic popular online stores. Always double-check the website's legitimacy, look for secure payment options, and read reviews before making a purchase. Scam number 2, Charity Scams. The spirit of giving is a beautiful part of the holidays, but unfortunately, scammers take advantage of it with charity scams. Be wary of unsolicited emails or calls requesting donations. Research charities independently and donate directly through their official websites to ensure your contribution goes where it's needed. Scam number 3, Gift Card Scams. Gift cards are a popular holiday present, but scammers have found ways to exploit them. Avoid buying gift cards from unofficial sources or responding to email or phone requests asking for gift card codes. Legitimate businesses won't ask for payment in gift cards. Scam number 4, Travel Scams. Many people plan holiday getaways, and scammers know it. Travel scams are prevalent during this time. Be cautious of too-good-to-be-true travel deals. Always book through reputable websites, and double-check the legitimacy of any travel agency before making reservations. Scam number 5, Package Delivery Scams. With the rise of online shopping, package delivery scams have become more common. Scammers may send fake delivery notifications to trick you into providing personal information. Always verify delivery notifications directly with the courier service and avoid clicking on suspicious links. In closing, as we celebrate the joyous season, let's also stay vigilant and protect ourselves from these scams. Awareness is the best defense against fraud. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay safe this holiday season, and until next time, I'm your cyber guide signing off from Cyberculture Interface. Happy holidays.